Greetings, Eric Backer, New Zealand naturopath. Thanks for coming back and checking out the video. Interesting question today. Is there a link between Candida and Alzheimer's? Does the plaque from Candida exactly match the plaque in the brain causing Alzheimer's as some people claim? Well, it's all speculation. I've just read several blog posts on this particular area, and the amyloid beta plaque that was discovered in 1991 by a guy called Dr. Alzheimer, they really link this up with Alzheimer's. So they've actually looked at brain tissue and they can see the plaque formation there. And some experts believe that this is where Alzheimer's comes from, is this amyloid plaque formation in the brain. Causes are unknown. Some people say it could be aluminum causing the problem. Other people say it's this, other people say it's that. I mean, everyone's got their own theory on it, but it's still quite early days when it comes to understanding conditions like Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, dementias, and these neurological degenerations. I can tell you one thing from my experience with Alzheimer's. Many people I've seen who develop Alzheimer's have got seriously bad gut problems preceding the Alzheimer's. And often they'll take medication for that, like a PPI drug, protein pump inhibitor to inhibit stomach acid. Or they'll be drinking lots of soda drinks over the years. They'll be eating a poor diet. So I do believe there's some link with poor gut, not just with Alzheimer's, but many, many diseases that people develop over the years. Many diseases. It's true that many diseases have their origin in the digestive. Gee, these birds are loud today, aren't they? Many people have their chronic disease. The roots will be in some type of a gut disorder. By having a very clean diet, a low-stress lifestyle, and a healthy, kind of way of eating and living, it's certainly going to go in your favor to stave off these degenerative neurological diseases. But whether it's still very early days, whether to speculate if there's a link between Candida and Alzheimer's. Some researchers also believe that most cancer comes from Candida. You can also make assumptions that Candida could link to any disease. But you could also make that assumption with any kind of bacteria or parasite. Then we have other people say, it's liver flukes. Liver flukes cause all disease. And then we've got other people say, it's bacteria. Bacteria cause all disease. And some people say viruses. I mean, next thing someone's going to say, aliens from outer space are causing all disease. I mean, come on. All sorts of reasons why people get sick. But the common denominator for sickness is inflammation. Okay? Inflammation is the common denominator. What upregulates inflammation is poor immune function. And where does the bulk of the immune system reside? In the digestive system. So let's just extrapolate this. Let's pull it right back. Let's back up a little. So the gut becomes disordered. It creates inappropriate immune dysfunction, which creates excessive or inappropriate inflammatory condition, which leads to, you name it, take your pick. There's one of 1,000 different pathways it can pick. So good, very good digestive health leads to more appropriate immune response, less chance of inflammation, much less chance of disease. Simple, isn't it? It's basics, common sense. So if you're worried about Candida Alzheimer's link, do a stool test or assess yourself for Candida, correct the Candida imbalance, and then you maybe not have to worry about Alzheimer's if there is a link, because it's still all speculation. All right? So I hope that answers your question. Thanks for tuning in.